the properties of the copper nickel are the corrosion resistance. So corrosion resistance, excellent corrosion, excellent resistance to the corrosion, particularly in the marine environment and against seawater, making it ideal for the underwater application. So think about it. So whenever the component which is going to be used under the seawater, the copper nickel is the first priorities. Okay, though once we will select, then we will see the other aspect of our design. Okay, and according to that, we will see whether it is feasible or not. That's a different part. But first, we must have to consider what are the materials that are going to be used in the marine water. Oh, sorry, in the marine hardware component, which is going to be used under the sea waters. Okay, so highly resistant to the biofueling, the growth of the marine organisms, and the oxidations. Okay, we talk about the strength and durabilities. The strength is stronger than the pure copper. Here it is also the more stronger than the copper itself. Okay, with good tensile strength and resistance to the wear. Here it is the term the tensile strength. It means it is good in the tensile, but it could or could not be in the compressive. Okay, but it is sure that whenever we are having the tensile nature force or tensile load, then we can think about it. Okay, but along with that, so what we can think about the tensile strength, tensile loading, along with if that component is going to be used inside the seawater, which is going to be the marine hardware. So these all combination will, in these all conditions combined together will make suitable to these particular materials. Okay. Retain its mechanical properties at a high temperature compared to the other copper alloy. Okay. So now thermal and electrical conductivities. So moderate thermal conductivities less than the pure copper. So it has having less, or you can say less electrical thermal conductivity as compared to the pure copper. Okay, but they are having sufficient thermal conductivities, electrical conductivity. But when we compare to the copper, then it has a less, or less thermal conductivity and electrical conductivities. But educate for the many industrial applications. That's we have used. That's why it is written moderate. Right. Now, good thermal conductivity, particularly for the heat exchanger application. So it has the good thermal conductivity, though they are not having a good electrical conductivity, but at the same time they are having good thermal conductivity. And if they are good thermal conductivity exhibits, it means we can use in a heat exchanger, because in heat exchanger we are concerned for the material which can exchange the heat very fastly, and that would be happen if the material having the more and more thermal conductivities. Okay, because in heat exchanger, what we are concerned about the transfer of heat must be very fast. Okay, so that our purpose will solved or done, right? So, and that will be happen only if the material that has been used is having more thermal conductivities, which is known as K. Okay, formability and buildability means if we talk about the forming into the different shapes and the welding, that all must be possible. So easily cast and welded and fabricated into the variety of the shapes. So it is both. I mean, all of these are very possible in this case. So it is a feasible. Okay, it can be used in the both the cold and the hot working process. Both is feasible, right? We talk about the appearance. They typically has the silver white appearance. So we talk about the copper nickel alloy, how that look like. So it has having the appearance of silver white appearance with a shiny finish. Okay, that can be maintained for the long period. So it has a shining finish that could be sustained for the long time. Okay, that's a good, right?